Howdy guys, welcome to the cave. I'm Mark and you're watching Blue Street Customs. Hey guys, welcome back to the cave. Got another project today. Gonna do some resin stuff. This here project is for a very special lady. She's turning 65. So I figured I'm gonna make her something, kind of a resin planter. So I went out to the dollar store and I bought a bunch of stuff. Bought just a little glass vase or glass, whatever it was used for. Picked up a bunch of rock. It's actually glass bead, like broken glass. Picked up some seashells type things. Also, all these fake plants. Picked up a couple of these, what you call them, plant balls or whatever. They just have all these little things stuck to a central pin. And then, of course, I bought a small little plant. So what I did is took one of these cups and I cut the top off of it. That will sit inside, flush to the top, and that's what the plant will sit in. Just like so. So I took a bunch of the shells, cut off a bunch of the flowers and stuff that I want, used my 3D pen, created a couple numbers, smoothed them out with the soldering iron, and that's about it. To start all this off, now I'm hoping all this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rock in, arrange my plants and stuff, my seashells, the numbers, and figure out a way to get everything to sit there nicely, sturdy enough so that the resin won't move it when I pour the resin in. I'll have to figure out a way to stop this from going all the way down, but the resin will try to push it up. So I'll have to either weight it down or put some hot glue some sticks across and hot glue that to the top of the glass temporarily. I'll figure out a way to do it. So let's get started. And of course, first things first, the rock. Okay, so now that I've got everything pretty much arranged, I've dribbled some super glue on a bunch of things to help keep it still. Hopefully nothing will float. I'm using this Vivid 2-to-1 clear resin. This stuff is awesome. I've got it mixed up. I've got some hot water here just to help thin it out so that it can seep down inside the rock. It's already mixed. It's definitely a lot runnier, and that's what I'm looking for. Okay, this is a water-based resin. I'm not putting any color or tint in it. I want to keep it clear. So I'm going to pour this in stages, and what I'm going to do to help suck it down into the rock and get the air out of it is I'm going to get a bigger dish, put some hot water in it, and set this in it. So when that's done, I'll be back. Alright guys, so we've got it this far. Not looking too bad so far. So I'm going to do the final pour. Hopefully I've got it figured out for the right amount. Now, it's going to be a little tougher getting it in there, but we'll get it. Okay, I'm going to put this in a spot that I can let it cure so it's not in the way. And I've got a little bit in the pipette so that I can just barely top it off. And when it's cured, I'll come back and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, here it is, all done. Now I did get a few bubbles in there, but being that it's supposed to be water, it's not too bad, but I'll work better next time at trying to make sure there's no bubbles in it. So, like I was saying, it's supposed to be a little planter or whatever for her. So, that's the end of that. So if you like this stuff, hit the like button. You want to see more of this stuff, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see me do. Obviously, I had some leftover resin from the last pour. I was playing around with it. Still a little soft yet, so I'm just going to let that cure a bit longer. Make sure to subscribe and also hit that bell icon so you can get notified next time I post a video. Also, go check out my Instagram at Blue Streak Customs. Check out my Facebook. Also, go check out a friend of mine. He's got a Facebook page, the Rustic Woodworks. I'll leave all the links in the description. So until next time, later.